How do you stop automatically following other Instagram accounts? So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to stop automatically following other Instagram accounts. So if your also Instagram account is behaving like your account has followed unlimited people or different types of people without being you noticed. So in that case, your account might be in the hands of some other people, or your account has been hacked or something like that. So if you are suspicious about that, so just click on this Instagram application and make sure you are logged into your account, and just click on this profile icon over here and just click on this hamburger icon at the top right corner, and just head over to search bar and just search in for password and security. So just tap on it. So once you tap on it, you will be heading over to this page. So you can just check out where you are logged in currently and into how many devices or which devices you have been logged in currently. So once you check in that, just come back over here. You can also change your password to make your account strong, just like this, and you have to enter your current password and new password just like that, and which will log you out of from all of the other devices by simply tapping on this icon over here, this button. So once you tap on it, you can also make more than strong. If you want your account to be more than just strong, you can enable two-factor authentication. So just click on this like this, and you can get the every time you log in, you can get SMS or WhatsApp via this code to your phone number or WhatsApp, and you can also secure authentication app just like this. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.